Hey guys, it's Marley with Sunset Properties here. Today I wanted to take you on a tour of Island Winds East 409. Now Island Winds East is located right on West Beach, just a couple blocks from the Hangout. Let's go in and check it out. As soon as you come in, you'll see the first bedroom. It has a full-size bed and a twin. There is also a private bathroom. You'll see on the hallway you've got yourself a stacked washer and dryer. And then next is the kitchen. You've got some bar seating here. You've also got yourself a dining room table, and there is a bathroom right off the kitchen that also has access from the master bedroom. Right over here is the master bedroom. You've got yourself a king-size bed, a flat screen TV, and floor-to-ceiling window. And like I said, there's access to that bathroom. Now out in the living room, you've got yourself a sleeper sofa, plenty of seating here, and a very large flat screen TV. Now let's step out on that balcony. As you can see, we are right on the beach. You've even got a pool. Take a look. We would love to have you come stay at Island Winds East 409. You can call or text us at 251-543-1370, or you can email us at info@sunsetproperties.com, or you can click the link in the description to this property. I will see y'all at sunset.